Today I'll be vaccinating my turkey chicks against fowlpox. So I've gone to buy some of the vaccine. So this is how it looks like. It has this in it. When you go and buy, they'll put the fowlpox in a flask for you, so that the fowlpox needs to be cold. So inside the flask there is ice. So the ice keeps the fowlpox vaccine cold. So this is how the vaccine looks like. And you also be given this needle that you use to administer the vaccine. My name is Andrew Subuache and welcome to Hobbs Ranch. Okay guys, so inside you'll be given this one is watery. This one is watery. This one has to be cold every time. So as much as possible you need to try and put this one inside your flask. And this one is powdery. This one is powdery. So this is what you do. You need to remove this one, the cap. Get the cap out. Get the cap out. The whole thing is plastic. So you get the cap out and then you pour this into this, or this into this. Anyhow you do it, you just mix them. The most important thing is that you mix them. So I'm going to do that. All right, done. So this is how it looks like, and here's the vaccine. So I'm putting this back in the flask to keep it cool. Then I'm going to try and unseal this one too. Right, this is also done. I'm putting this back there so that they remain cold for a while. I want to keep them cold for a while. Okay, so it's now cold enough. So I'm going to take them out and mix them. So I have my liquid form here and I have the powder form. As much as possible, I would pour the powder into the liquid. I don't want some of the liquid to remain, so I'd rather pour the powder into the liquid. I know that by doing that, I'll get everything here. The powder is caked. Trying to it was caked, so I had to break it small inside. Yeah. Then you shake it. So I'm going to put it back inside the ice for it to remain cold small before I start administering. The reason why I've put it back is that I don't want it to become warm. After giving this dosage is used for 1,000 bears, and I'm going to be just giving as few as 20-50 bears. So I'll keep the remaining inside the fridge. So as much as possible, I want it to remain cold. Whenever it's cold, the virus isn't active. The virus don't become active, but when it starts to get warm, the virus begins to become active and the vaccine will no longer be effective. Sometimes when it becomes too warm, when you vaccinate them, they can actually get fowlpox. The fowlpox that you are trying to prevent them from, they can actually get it. So as much as possible, try and keep your vaccines cold. Okay, I think it's cold enough. I have 3 turkey chicks here that I'll be using for this illustration. So this is an almost 4 weeks old turkey, but it's fine to use it for the illustration. It's recommended that you give fowlpox to your chicks when they are about 6 weeks old. 6 weeks old. But for this illustration, I'll be using this almost 4 weeks old turkey. It's fine. Nothing will happen to it. It will be okay. So I get the fowlpox vaccine out. Note that after vaccinating, I'll put it back inside before I catch the other one. I won't leave it here. I won't leave it outside. So that's how you do it. You put the needle in, you dip it in the vaccine. So you dip it in the vaccine and then you get it out. So there is the vaccine on the needle. You may not see it, but it's there. Then you open the wings. You open the wings of your turkey. You see there are blood veins inside the wings. For as much as possible, try not to pierce a vein. Try to pierce a part where there is no vein. So this part doesn't really have a vein there, so I'm going to be doing it there. So I'll put it here between the veins and then I'll pierce it with the vein for it to come out here. So you can see it has come out. So that's how you do to administer. Unfortunately, it has poop here, so I'll be cleaning it up before we continue. Okay, so this is the next one. So the same way, keep it cold as much as possible. You dip it inside. Just dip it inside, that's all. Dip it inside, that's all. Close it. Put this back. Open the wing. Open the wing. Try to avoid the vein. Avoid the vein. So you see, I'm avoiding the vein. Pierce it for it to come out. That's all. That's all. I'm putting this one back. Just dip it inside, close it, put it back, and then you pierce it. Avoid the vein. It's very important that you avoid the vein. That's it. I won't be needing this anymore. I would only be keeping this one. I'll store this inside the freezer for it to be in the freezer. That way it will always be good for me to still use it. If I keep it outside, then it won't be effective anymore. But for this, I can throw this away. This is no longer useful. Okay guys, So that's a simple way to administer fowlpox vaccine. Let us know in the comment section if you have any question. And thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And we wish you all the best in your turkey farming. Bye.